Hello everyone, this is Luther and today we have tournament report around 15 March until 16 or maybe 17 maybe. Let's see if I can cover all of this checklist or I can split into two videos. And we start with this Snake Eye, pure Snake Eye. And next another Snake Eye, but this time this player played one Flambug only. Okay, so if you wonder why he have this Snake Angel in side deck, it is for 10 by Dragon matchup, but you can also change this with Fucho. Because this Neck Angel is really weak against Droplet. Your opponent can gen Droplet. Magician with one Revolution in main deck, and 10 by Dragon with Droplet and Kaiser Colosseum in main deck. I'm still not sure. Some people mind taking Kaiser Colosseum in this 10 by Dragon. Maybe he going first build maybe or not. I'm not really sure because Kaiser Colosseum is not good when you going second. Even though like your opponent cannot change or summon anything when they have monster on the field and you activate Kaiser Colosseum and you summon monster, your opponent cannot like activate Kirin in hand maybe or Promethean. Let's say you special something. Phantom Knight with Protoss. Rescue S with Super Poly, 2 Super Poly. Silent Force with Nadir. Yeah, I think some people try to play Nadir deck again because not much deck right now have Garura or something in extra deck, so it's good I think. But I personally still like pure build because you can still something summon something like Dino or Mondo or something else in your extra deck when you going second. The bad thing about this Nadir is you cannot summon from extra deck. Ignister, Yubel, and he man taking Shifter. Cyber Dragon going second, of course. Flow. Okay, he have Dimensional Fissure in set deck. Ostinato, Supreme King. Yeah, this deck is really cool actually, because you can one card combo. Let's say you're opening like Ostinato or this level 4 Melodious Pendulum. And if you wonder about this Valiant's field, it is for Snake Eye or Fire King matchup. Let's say in Fire King matchup you can change your opponent field spell and it will trigger Fire King Island and destroy their monster. And because this deck is really weak against Snake Eye, because the Flambug effect, they can target your own monster and put into your Pendulum Scale. So that's why the idea about this violence field spell is to summon your own monster in your Pendulum Scale. from Flamberg Fact. So that's the idea about it. Of course, along with Droplet, you can send your own monster in your Pendulum Scale. Let's say they put your hand trap maybe, but you cannot send your Pendulum monster from your Pendulum Scale. So that's why you need this Valiance field spell. Snake Eye, Fire King with Rumple Tuffle, and in TCG name this card have Black God or something. This card is really cool when you're going first. Snake Eye with Monster Reborn and 3 Droplet. Ostinato Supreme King. Yeah, I feel like this deck is just better than regular Magician. Fire King. Tenpai Dragon with Pot of Desire. Pot of Desire is for draw power. And if you don't like it, if you don't like this Desire, you can play Talon instead. Tenpai Dragon. And you don't play any Shifter. Okay, so if you wonder why some people or most people right now don't play Shifter anymore in this Tenpai Dragon, or sometimes they put Shifter inside deck, it because you need this Green Dragon is really important in this deck, because this is like your extender, and if you use Shifter you cannot use this effect, and you cannot summon your Tenpai Dragon monster from grave like this level 7 and level 10. So it's really important to have monster in your grave, even though you can OTK without it, because I already saw it under Shifter, but it's better without Shifter, because you can play a lot of hand trap like Gosoke and Valor. Is you cannot use it under Shifter, so that's the reason about it. Along with this Droplet, you cannot use it under Shifter too. Another Ostinato Supreme King, Fire King, Rescue S, Tenpai Dragon, Ritual Piece, Tenpai Dragon, with Kumongus inside deck, interesting. Supreme King, Valmonica. Yeah, you can make set Valmonica with Finn Smith, and it really cool actually, because you have another Finn like in here. Melodius, Snake Eye with Parallel Exit. I also try to play Parallel Exit and test it with in A2 Pro, and I feel like this card is not good. I think it looked good in theory, but sometimes it's break, so I cut this Parallel Exit and I don't play it anymore. Labyrinth, Tenpai Dragon. Yeah, this build is feel like going first build, because you man taking Secret Village too, and man taking 2 gold by the grave. Yeah, this is all painless. Vayu Turbo, Tenpai Dragon, another Tenpai Dragon, Exorcister with Kaiser Colosseum, Zephyra plus Super Heavy Samurai, Snake Eye, Tenpai Dragon with Destro 2. Destro is for extender, because sometimes if your this red dragon is got negate or something, you have Destro 2 in hand. Also because it is a Tanner. Snake Eye, Spiral 60 cards, interesting, with Horus in my deck. Branded, Tenpai Dragon with Shifter in my deck. Snake Eye, Red Dragon Archfiend, Silent Force with Dogma build, Snake Eye with Parallel Exit, Rescue S, Tenpai Dragon with Imperial Iron Wall inside deck, Tenpai Dragon, Fire King, Snake Eye, Silent Force with Castira Unicorn, interesting. He only play Castira Unicorn. Melodius, Tenpai Dragon with Heat Wave inside deck, Runic, Horus Stun, Sky Striker, next Rescue S with Super Poly, Infernoid Unchained, Snake Eye with Droplet. Next we have Vanquisol with Gamma, Snake Eye, another Snake Eye. Next top 4, it is a 3v3 tournament. Tenpai Dragon. Okay, interesting. He played Break Sword. I think it's hard to summon Break Sword in here. Yeah, I think the idea is because let's say you open this green dragon together and you can exit into Break Sword maybe. I think that's the idea about it. Runic. Next Adaman, Chimera, and Yubel. Tenpai Dragon and Melodius, Unchained, Fire King Pure, Chimera, Snake Eye, Tenpai Dragon, Labyrinth, Centurion, Draco Slayer, Melodius, Branded, Ritual Beast with Super Poly, Tenpai Dragon High Rarity with Destro 2, and Anti-Spell, interesting. Snake Eye, Phantom Knight with Protoss, Silent Force. Yeah, I think I will stop in here because it is from 17 March, and see you on the next one.